Great morning student. Hope so you are fit and fine at your home. Today we going to start our unit 2 chapter number 6. Our chapter number 6 name is building self confidence. In this chapter we have learned about going to self confidence means having trust in one's own judgment and ability. So that is our self confidence. Self confidence people have the three main attributes. First is belief in one own capability. So you can see there is a belief in our capability, fight for yourself. Now next is ready to accept any challenge. So that person ready to accept any types of challenge. Willingness to take risk. So every risk you take willingly. Okay. Now next is our social their factor influencing self confidence. Social factor, cultural factor, physical factor. So now we will discuss one by one, that is our social factor. Social factor, what is a social factor? Society play a critical role in shaping and building our self confidence. मीन्स जो हमारी सोसाइटी का है, जो हमारे इन्वायरमेंट का, वो एक मेन फैक्टर है जो हमारे पर उसका इम्पैक्ट पड़ता है. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज our social factor you can say in your family member, your teacher, your relative and your sibling, your friend, your neighbors and stranger also influence your self confidence. Okay, so now cultural factor also affected in ourselves. Culture refer to the characteristics, means culture क्या है? Characteristics होती हैं कुछ of a particular society, community and ethnic group reflected in its practices and belief. So they influence, we are influenced from them. मीन्स सोसाइटी, कल्चरल एक्टिविटी, कम्युनिटी, जैसे हमारा हिंदू, मुस्लिम, सिख, ईसाई जैसे इस टाइप की कम्युनिटी बनी हुई है, कुछ रूरल एरिया हैं. एवरीथिंग आर इन्फ्लुएंस आवर थिंकिंग एंड आवर फिजिकली मेंटली हेल्थ. So in cultural factor you can say your dressing sense also influence. Your dressing sense means all ladies can't be go outside for a job. That also our cultural activities. And in Muslim religion all ladies taking burqa. Okay, so every community have the different cultural activity and cultural thoughts. Now next is our physical factor like the healthy physique, healthy mind, good appearance etc. play important role in the developing self confidence in a person. मीन्स ये सारी चीज़ें क्या करती हैं, हमारा एक अपीयरेंस शो करती है हम फिजिकली फिट हैं या नहीं हैं. सो फिजिकली आपको क्या क्या अवेलेबल है, आपका फिजिक्यू कैसा है, आपकी हेल्थ कैसी है, आप किस इन्वायरमेंट में रहते हो, दैट आर इन्फ्लुएंस योर confidence. If you live in clean and neat and clean area, then you feel good. If you live in a dirty area, your physique also unhealthy, your health also not good, and so many factors are involved in this. Now next is our physical factor. You can see their physical appearance are good, and if your physically health is good, now you face any types of problem. Now self confidence building tips. There are some self building tips. Get to know yourself means firstly आपको अपने आप के बारे में पता होना चाहिए. It is a most difficult thing in a life to know yourself. Okay. Now next tip is change your body language. Always you change your body language due to according to the content. मीन्स आपका जो अपीयरेंस है वो आपका लुक आपकी जो मैटर करती है वो आपकी गुड होनी चाहिए, आपके जेस्चर पोस्चर अकॉर्डिंग टू कंटेंट होना चाहिए, आवर बॉडी लैंग्वेज आपकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज भी प्रॉपर होनी चाहिए. दिस टॉपिक वी हैव ऑलरेडी रीड इन द फर्स्ट चैप्टर. Now next is think positive. Positive thinking also is a good tips of self confidence. If you think positive, then you can achieve your goal positively. Now create a positive support network. Always you create in around you a positive thoughts. If you meet with a positive person, then they can build up your confidence and they can move yourself. Now celebrate small victory. Always you celebrate your small victory. If you doing some small work and you got the achievement there, then you also should give the rewarded with to you. Now next is remember thing nobody is perfect. Always you should remember that nobody is perfect. Everybody have the strength and weakness, so you have also some strength and weakness. So if you got the failure if any state, then you think that nobody is perfect and you move on. Next tips is our fear not, means every time you not fear anything and focus on your future, not your past. Means if you got the failure in your past, now you not thinking about the past, you always focus on your future. Now next is practice is self care. There are the 7 pillars of the self care. If you apply in your life, then you do your self care. First is knowledge and health literacy. You can enhance your knowledge. Second is mental well-being, self-awareness, means always you aware of yourself. Awareness means you know your strength, weakness and thoughts of yourself. Next is physically activity. Physically activity means doing something your body, that is the physical activity, and physically activity maintain the circular of your body. Next is healthy eating. Healthy eating is the most important part of our life, and that they also help to the building of self confidence. Next, risk avoidance means always avoid the risk. Where is a risk of that, there you can't be moved. Good hygiene, always you proper the hygiene, yani hygiene means cleanliness. Suppose your wash your hand and take bath daily. That types are etiquettes are in a hygiene. Relational as use productive services. Always use your resources in a proper way. So that are the self confidence building tips. Hope so you understand all the things. Various attitude of the people. There are 2 types of attitude. Attitude of people with the low confidence, attitude of the self confidence people. Attitude of the low confidence people, if you have low confidence, then you fear from there, and after that you got the failure. If you have the self confidence, firstly, then you courage your action and you got the success. So that is your 2 types of mentality persons there. Now next is have a great day. Thank you. Hope so student you understand all things.